Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and the game keeps crashing on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert crashing on your computer easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up Steam, and now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on Crimson Desert, you're going to go into properties, and then you're going to go into install files, and here you're going to click verify integrity of game files on Crimson Desert. And once you're done with that, now you're going to go ahead and update your graphics cards drivers. So your graphic cards drivers may be out of date, so just open up a new browser, and then if you have an AMD GPU, I'll show you that first. Afterwards, I'll show you NVIDIA. You're going to search for AMD GPU and then go on to this link from AMD.com. You're going to click onto resources and support. You're going to go into drivers. You're going to scroll down and you're going to click on graphics, Radeon RX, and then you're going to select your graphics card series. Afterwards, you're going to select your model, click submit. Then you're going to select your operating system. You're going to download the latest driver. You're going to click download on here and install it. Now I'll show you NVIDIA. So you're going to open up a new tab and search for NVIDIA GPU. Go into this link from nvidia.com. You're going to click onto drivers here, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to fill in this form. So just select your graphics card series from here and then select your graphics card. You can select your operating system then, and then click start search and then wait for it to find the correct driver for you. Here it is, GeForce Game Ready driver. You're going to download the latest driver. Once it's done downloading, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here graphics settings, and then you're going to click on to add desktop app here, and then you're going to go to your Crimson Desert games folder. So the default location of the game should be in your C drive, program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Crimson Desert. Here it is, the CrimsonDesert.exe. You're going to click onto it and then click add. Afterwards, you're going to find the CrimsonDesert.exe file here. Just click onto GPU preference and then click high performance here. After that, close this menu up. Now you're going to go ahead and launch Crimson Desert. And here what you're going to do is you're going to go to your video settings, and then you can try turning on VSync here. So just turn on VSync. And if you have a high refresh rate monitor of, let's say, higher than 120, you can try turning it down to like 60 or 75, just anything below 120 for now. Afterwards, you're going to go into the graphics settings then. And now you're either going to select this preset to performance or you're going to set it to minimum. So just set it to the lowest that you can. Afterwards, you're going to go into languages and gameplay. Here, you're going to turn off 3D node info and map. This setting tanks your FPS, so just turn it off for now. Afterwards, you can also go into accessibility and then turn particle effects quality to 0. So you can set it to 0. Once you're done with all of those settings, you're going to restart your game, and then you're going to go ahead and launch the game again. And now you're going to try to play the game, and you'll see that the game will now work. It will not crash anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.